In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Friends notifications. If Steam alerts are popping up too often while you're gaming, chatting, or just browsing your library, adjusting your notification settings can make the app feel much less distracting. The good news is that Steam gives you pretty specific control over which friend-related notifications you see and hear, so you can keep the ones that matter and turn off the ones that don't. To get started, open Steam on your computer. Then go to the top left corner of the app, click Steam, and choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps most of its general preferences, including the controls you'll see for notifications. Once the settings window opens, look through the menu and select Notifications. This section is where you can manage the alerts Steam sends you, especially the ones related to your friends list and chat activity. Under Friend Notifications, you'll see several options you can switch off depending on what you want to stop seeing. For example, you can disable notifications for when a friend comes online, when a friend joins a game, direct chat messages, and chat room notifications. This is useful if you want a quieter experience without completely disconnecting from your friends on Steam. You can be selective here, so if one type of notification is helpful but another is annoying, just turn off the ones you don't want. You can also go a step further and control how those notifications appear. In the same area, you may have options to disable the notification toast, which is the small pop-up alert that appears on screen. If those visual pop-ups interrupt your gameplay or get in the way while you're using another app, turning them off can help keep your screen clear. There's also an option to stop Steam from playing a sound for each notification type. If the sounds are more distracting than useful, especially during a game or while using voice chat, this setting can make a big difference. For many people, removing both the pop-up and the sound creates a much smoother experience. After you've adjusted the settings you want, you can simply close the settings window. Steam usually saves these changes automatically, so there's no extra confirmation needed. That's all it takes to disable Steam Friends notifications and customize them to fit how you use the platform. Whether you want total silence or just fewer interruptions, these settings give you quick control over your Steam experience.